I've got this really neat device where it allows you to quickly remove, really essentially a quick release valve, quick release for the hose. So you have two pieces. You have this piece that goes into the spigot, and this piece goes into your hose. So what you do is take this piece, put it onto your spigot, and then this piece onto your hose. And what this allows you to do is easily and quickly attach the hose, release the hose, and then you can transfer the hose to a different part. So I have another piece that I'm going to install onto this spigot, so I can easily use the same hose without having to unscrew and screw the hose each time. And so you take it out, just do this, and you plug in the hose. Simple as that. Okay, so to use this, what you do is you push this mechanism in, and also slide this part into it, and make sure it's tight. And then if you wanted to take it out, just push in, and this comes out. And if you ever wanted to move your hose to a different location, you install the same quick release. And you do the same thing here. You push in, you slide it in, and there you go. You have the hose. I have got one of these collapsible hoses that makes it easy to transfer to different locations in your area. So these are amazing. These are great. So quick release. You should definitely get one of these for your garden if you have need to water different locations. Take your hose out quickly, or even need to share one hose.